Namaste and a very happy International Women's Day to everyone. Hi, this is Mansi Chaturvedi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you 10 books which every woman should read, even both women and men should read once in their lifetime. So let's get started. First book is I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. This book addresses the issues of racism, sexual violence, and emotional trauma, all which was faced by Maya Angelou in her adolescence and young age. She is a well-known revolutionary writer. She wrote about the real struggle. She wrote 7 autobiographies and this is the must-read book of hers. So the second book is The Woman I Wanted to Be by Diane von Furstenberg. She is one of the world's top-selling designers and one of the most influential and admired women. In this book, she reflects her extraordinary life, including the journey of creating the dress which symbolized independence and power for the generations of women. So, the third book is Fear of Flying by Erica Jong. If you are a feminist kind of person, then you should read this book. It was considered that this book is responsible for the second wave of feminism. This book reflects the thoughts of people towards female desire. And this was a highly controversial book due to its honest description of Isadora's quest for sex outside her marriage. So the fourth book is The Subtle Art of Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. This book is the best book which tells about that we have a very limited amount of time to pay attention on everything in our life. This book does not stop you from giving a fuck but just deciding what fuck you want to give on. So the fifth book is Bad Feminist by Roxane Gay. This book is a collection of essays which tells us the cultural and political criticism. In this book, Gay shows how we internalized essential feminism that either doesn't exist or is so riddled with stereotypes. The sixth book is Lean In by Sheryl Sandberg, who is the CEO of Facebook. All the ambitious girls out there must read this book. In this book, Sheryl tells about her journey of becoming a CEO and top 10 business trips that made her succeed at Facebook, Google, as a housewife, as a businesswoman, as a mummy and a granny, and so on. So the seventh book is We Should All Be Feminist by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. We should all read this book because nowadays we compare feminism as a act of shame. This book tells us why we should all be feminist. So the eighth book is Girl Code by Cara Ella, unlocking the secret of success, sanity, and happiness for the female entrepreneur. We grew up thinking that girls or women are the worst enemy of each other, but this book will change your thought. It will tell you the power of female friendship. And the ninth book is Being a Slut by Paras Mehta, and I already reviewed this book in a separate video. The video may be here or here. Just go and check that video. So the last book is You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. This book offers you how to stop doubting your greatness and start living an awesome life. If you are a person who is underconfident or doubt yourself, then this book is for you. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you have read any of this book or such books. And if you came this far, then please like the video, and if you are new, then subscribe and share this video to your female friends. And we'll meet in the next video. Till then, happy reading. Bye bye.